Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the bee from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute bee, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And now that I have this circle in, I'm going to come right across, say about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve. So this is going to be the other eye, slightly side view. So just draw a curve about the same height as this, and then we're just going to go ahead, draw another curve right here to connect. Now that we have that in, I'm going to come in here and put a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and we're going to be drawing a circle around the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, come in about in this area, and I'm going to try to draw a curve and a little bit pointier over here, and then come in, just to give the bee's head some shape. Then imagine this coming through. We're going to come about out here and go up. And then let's bring this down, creating this ovalish circular shape all the way around. So I'll come about right here, since it's easier for my hand to draw down and connect. There. And then let's bring this up a little bit more to finish off the head. And as I come to this area, I'm going to stop, but if you're using a pencil, go ahead and connect back to here. So I'm going to stop right here because then you have draw some antennas. So about right here, I'm going to pop out one, give it a little curve, round off, and bring it right back. And then come right next to it, about right here, and draw the other antenna. So another curve, and we're going to go straighter this time, and connect. There. So then whatever space you have left, go ahead and finish this off to create the head and connect. From there, I'm going to start to draw the wings first, since the wings overlap the body. So about right here next to this antenna, I'm going to come about right here, and I'll start with a small curve, following this curve right here. And then I'm going to go this way, curving out. And then from there, I'm going to come right here and then draw this big curve, nice big curve that comes up and right back down for a wing. And then I'm going to come right across next to it and do the same thing. So another curve and another wing. So it's all at this angle. Then from there, I'm going to come right back here and we're going to start to draw this little round body. So say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, continue. And imagine it's coming through, so right here, and I'm going to make it nice and round, all the way around. And say about right here. So we're just creating this shape right here. And about right here, I'm going to stop. If you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve. And I'll stop right here to draw the little feet. So I'm going to come out with a curve, come down, and draw the first one, little gumdrop feet, and then continue my curve. There. So notice this is a little off, right? Just want it to be nice and round. Okay. Then from there, we're going to draw the other foot. So about right here, I'm just going to tuck in the other one, just part of it, and connect. And then the next one is about right here, right in this area, and connect. There, so it's all kind of at this curve. Then from there, let's finish the other wing. So I'm going to come about right here and go up just like the other side. And I want it about the same height, so say about right here, and then bring it in. And the next one. Also at an angle, and just tuck it in, whatever space you have left. There. And then now for the stripes, I'm going to come right here. I'm not going to color it in because it's actually brown. So I just wanted to show you. If you don't want this harsh line, you can just go ahead and color this part brown. And we're just going to bring this stripe all the way in. And then one more stripe right here in the back. And in. And the original bee doesn't have this part right here, but I wanted to add it. I thought it'd be really cute. So say about right here. I'm gonna add a little stinger right there. And then I'll come in here real quick and just erase this part so it's not so confusing. And clean up my drawing. It's just a basic whiteout pen, just makes it a little bit easier. And round that part off. And so that's pretty much it, except I need to add a heart. So I'll just put it right here to make it my Draw So Cute Roblox Adopt Me Pet Bee. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and that inspires you to try it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.